Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2004 EquiSpirit 2-horse straight load gooseneck. This trailer is 7'6" tall, 6 wide. It does have 2 full escape doors. I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you, this would be my biggest complaint about this trailer. The paint has faded. If you see the top, it's supposed to be navy blue. It is not anymore. So the other side is faded as well. I'm going to show you that, but it's solid. It's sturdy. It's a very workable, great using trailer, runaround trailer, first trailer, whatever. That's just my biggest complaint, and it's 100% cosmetic. But as you guys know, I'm going to point out what I don't like in a trailer, and that's what I would not like in this trailer is the painting. Not painting, but the color has faded. All right, so EquiSpirit 2-horse straight load gooseneck has a manual jack spare tire. EquiSpirits are aluminum skin, steel frame, wood floor, fiberglass roof. So that is the manufacturing of EquiSpirits. They're very similar to a Trailette, a Hawk, and a Gore. Okay, so 2 full escape doors with a window and slider. Additional window with slider on the back portion, and then large slider on the back portion. It's hard to see with that back Dutch door back. Rear ramp with Dutch doors, and those doors do latch back, so you can leave them latch back in transport. It does have the padded chest bars. Those in the front, it does have a removable, it's not removable. You can move the head divider. It's got a pin where you can move it side to side, but it is not removable. My apologies. Now, the divider is removable. As far as I can tell, all this dividers portion does come out, so if you needed to take it all out and have one box stall, you could. Now, they do really thick padding in these trailers, so it's got really thick, nice padding. That's all in great shape, other than this has got a little spot here. It's basically where this divider was riding to the side. And that's when you don't latch these back, you cause that. So those need to stay latched for you not to have that issue. With that being said, these do unlatch on either side. It does have the feed bags. I've got those up in the front. It does have the window from the front to the back, roof vents, and interior light. Tie rings on both sides. One for hay bag, one for your horse. So the trailer is in solid shape. Horse box is in great shape. There's no real issues for its age. It's in great shape otherwise. A lot of ventilation. I do like the fact that it's got 3 windows. 3 ventilation windows for this particular straight load. And then you've got the back Dutch doors that you can hold open. Or they clip back to be open in transport. This is the side that I was speaking of that's a little more faded. You can see on the escape door and the dressing room door, it's got a little discoloring. The blue's better on this side on the top, but just pointing that out. That's the only issue with this trailer whatsoever is just the sheeting. So 2 escape doors, so you've got another escape door, so 2 full escape doors. Dressing room, 2-tier saddle rack, bridle hooks, of course that window. This trailer is equipped for electricity, so it does have the hookup for electrical if you needed to hook in anything in here and camp in this particular trailer. Here's the feed bags I was speaking of, and it does have a light here in the interior as well. So 2004 EquiSpirit 2-horse straight load gooseneck. If you're looking for a economical trailer to get 2 large size horses around, or even smaller ones, this would be a great choice. EquiSpirit makes a nice trailer, and this one, other than I would call it cosmetic issues, is in great shape. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. The best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Price and all the other information will be on carolinatrailersales.com. Thank you very much.